Have you ever wondered if a robot could do your job? As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, the intersections between artificial intelligence and employment continue to spark intense debates. This has led many to question the future of work in an AI-dominated world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has evolved from a fringe scientific concept into a mainstream technological phenomenon. With the advent of machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing, AI has seamlessly integrated itself into various industries, reshaping the job landscape as we know it. Take the manufacturing industry, for instance. Automation has revolutionized production lines, with AI-driven robots performing tasks that once required human intervention. Data entry, once a tedious task requiring hours of human input, can now be accomplished in mere minutes by AI algorithms. Even customer support roles have seen a shift, with AI chatbots providing round-the-clock assistance. But automation isn't confined to traditional AI applications. It's a rising tide, sweeping across industries and redefining what it means to work. Increased efficiency, reduced errors, and significant cost savings are just some of the benefits automation brings to the table. However, not all jobs are created equal in the face of automation. Manual labor, routine white-collar tasks, and basic data analysis roles are particularly vulnerable. Companies worldwide are implementing AI to streamline operations, often at the cost of human jobs. This displacement has far-reaching societal implications, underlining the importance of preparing for these changes. So, how does one navigate the AI-driven job market? The answer lies in upskilling, reskilling, and continuous learning. Take inspiration from professionals who have successfully transitioned their careers in response to automation. Moreover, AI's rise has also given birth to new job roles such as AI trainers, data analysts, and ethical AI consultants. But the future isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together. This symbiotic collaboration allows AI to enhance human capabilities, not replace them. Industries worldwide are leveraging AI as a tool to augment human decision-making and problem-solving, freeing us to focus on creativity, innovation, and complex tasks that require emotional intelligence. As we wrap up our discussion, it's clear that AI is not just changing jobs, it's transforming them. While certain roles may be replaced, others will evolve, and entirely new ones will emerge. AI isn't a job killer, it's a job transformer. So instead of fearing the AI revolution, embrace it. After all, the future of work is not just about surviving in an AI-dominated world, it's about thriving in it.